Hello friends, in this video we learned that how can we animate CSS gradients. So firstly let's type the coding of all main text in HTML, then let's change title into CSS gradients animation. Then here you can see I have created new external CSS file, and here we'll type the coding of h1 tag, p tag and button tag. So you can see the ID of button tag is 1 and here's the p tag, and after 2 or 3 paragraphs I have give 3 times br, and let's see the output one time. So you can see how it is. Now firstly let's link our CSS file with HTML file. So animation.css, and I will change the font of my h1 tag, p tag and this button font also. So I will paste here some links for font. So here they are. Now firstly let's style the body tag with background image, linear gradient 45 degree 84 hash 845 EC2. Okay, now here are my all gradient colors. And now let's see the output. So this is the gradient, and here I will give text align center. Now we will increase the size of our background by typing here background size. I will type here 300%. Now see, you can see that we can only see purple and a little pink color, not yellow color, because we have increased the size of our background. And we will give the background position. It is important to give background position, and I will give the left, so I can only see the part of left side of my page. Now I will change the font of my text first. So here I have to paste this one, and I will increase the font size into 50 pixels so that you can clearly see it. Now here I will paste this one with font size larger, and then for button, here I have given ID 1 to the button, that's why I type here #1, and here will be font this one. So firstly, let's give a width to our button because it is very small, and height also 50 pixel, and font size will be 30 pixel. Now let's see how it is. So you can see now here I can give the font weight so that it will be a little bold. From 900, let's give it 900. So it is good now. Let's see if I increase more. So I will give here 900. See. So now, firstly, let's animate our background. Now, so here, firstly, we have to type animation, and do not type the animation name and then type your name. It is very lengthy method, so we will type the short coding for our animation. So the name of my animation will be gradient OPG animation. We can type and then type the duration. I will give it 15 seconds, and the now let's type here @ keyframes for our animation. %, and bracket. Background. Here you have to type background position. So let me type here left. I will type here my recent background position. Now what background position do is, here you can see that I can you can see only purple and pink color, but here I have given purple, pink, and a little lighter pink, then deep yellow, then yellow. But you can see that is no yellow color because it is hiding outside of my web page, because I have increased the size of my background. So I want the animation that it will be a swipe animation, that yellow portion of my background will come to the left side. So this will be the animation, and here I have given background position left. That's why I can only see the left side of my background. So now here you have to type your recent background position, then type 100%, and here will be background position right. So the animation will be, the left part will go to right. So let's see the output. Let me refresh it. Now you can see that purple part goes to left and right, yellow part comes to, means all my background goes to left. Okay, so this is the animation, but it's not looking so good. So type here infinite in your animation, and then type here alternate, and now refresh. You can see how it is. Then it will swipe left side. See. So now let's animate the button also. So after font size, we will give here cursor first, so that cursor pointer. Now let me remove this pointer from here. Now see, when I take my cursor onto this button, you can see how it is, but I want a pointer over here. So here we have to type cursor, pointer, and now see, it is a pointer now. Then we will give the same background image property in the button also. So we'll paste it over here. Then same size and same position will be here. Now this time we do not need to type animation. This time we will give here transition. So type here transition, and we want the transition of background position here, so that when I hover on the button, the background position will be right because it is now left, and the transition will be of 2 seconds for me. You can set it as per your choice. Now we have to type here hash fun and now here we have to type background position, so right, because right now it is left. Now see, here's our button. When I take my cursor onto this button, you can see how it is. It looks like a swipe animation. So friends, like this you can animate your CSS gradients. So our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye friends.